Well, good morning, sunshines. Well, it was a busy night last night. We made it all the way down here to Hughes Road, and so that was my biggest day yet, but more to come. So today we only got about 12.7 to the campsite where we want to go to, but it's at about 5,000 feet, so I'm going to evaluate that as I get there, because I don't know if I want to sleep at 5,000. There still might be snow up there, and yeah, I'll see you up the trail. Well, here we are, sunshines. About 40 minutes side trail. I climbed up off the river bottom, right there where the trail comes down. That's where we slept last night. And then we still gotta go all the way up. Our goal today is 12.4 miles, kind of a regular day, but we'll see what happens. They say there's snow in about 5 miles, so we'll see. All right, talk to you later. See you at the trail. Well, we're here at mile 487.1, and there's a spring coming out of the hill. So if you need water, we're a good place to get it. Just finishing up my break. It's time to get back on trail. See you there. Well, here we are, mile 488.8. Maybe see snow way off in the distance in the San Gabriels. And here's the view from down in the valley. New valley for me. Then you can see out across the desert and what looks like water out there. Ain't water. It's solar field. I met the environmental impact engineer yesterday. He was running. Then you got windmills off in the distance and snow on the peaks. Pretty awesome. All right, let's get some miles in. We only got 3.2 down. 11 to go. See you up the trail. All right, here we are, mile 489.3. All right, sunshines. You tell me what kind of plant this is? More to follow. See you down the trail. I wouldn't want to be here at night. It's so spooky. There's aliens here as well. I showed you one a minute ago. Let's get out of here. See you up the trail. Well, here we are at mile 490. That big solar field down there. Windmills over there. But I wonder how many miles by how many miles that solar field is. There's another one over there too. If you find out, let me know. All right, see you up the trail. Well, we're here at mile 492.6. This has pretty much been the landscape for the last 3.5 miles. Just burn, burn, burn. And you all been wondering what this plant is. It's called Poodle dog bush. It's in the poison ivy, poison oak, sumac family. Except like a lot worse. Reaction to the oil is a lot faster than poison ivy and oak, sumac, and it will mess your day up. So kids, little trail knowledge, don't touch the poodle dog bush. Smells like marijuana, has pretty purple flowers as you saw in the previous videos, but yeah, don't pick this for your mom. All right, see you up the trail. One unique thing about poodle dog bush Seeds require a fire to germinate. There's been a fire here in the last few years, so let me walk you through this minefield of poodle dog bush. I don't want it on my clothes. I don't want it on my hiking poles. You take your time in here. I'm allergic to poison ivy. I don't need any of this bad news. It'll put me down for a few days. It's flipping everywhere. I wish I took the wrong trail. This is the trail to hell. No way to get around it if you were night hiking it though. I bet you'd trip. Ooh, what am I gonna do? It's an alien. I think we made it. Oh no, more aliens to the left. Oh, we cleared those. Now we got them to the right. There, that's the last one for a little bit. All right. Clear trail. Let's start stepping. Here we go, 492.9. All I smell is hemp. Goes all the way up on the other side of the hill over there. It's everywhere. All right, see you at the trail. Well, mile 493.1, back in the snow, but it's not bad snow. They say there's worse up ahead, but we're on the north-facing slope, so, and we're kind of high, but we're back in the shade for a minute. This area didn't get burned, which is nice. Definitely had to push through. Setting a good pace. Breathing was in a good rhythm, so just relaxed and let the trail take me away. All right, let's not fall off the mountain. All right, see you at the trail. Well, back on the trail still. I hear water. So I got about 2.5 before we have to make a decision on what we're gonna do. As you can see, this ravine didn't burn. So just imagine what this mountain range was like for all the devastating fires. It's pretty sad, but Mother Nature has a way of rebirth. So it'll all come back to look like this someday, but not in my lifetime. Hopefully I can get some of that clean, fresh water that's down there, because it might be the last water I have access to my camp tonight, and I'll be dry camping, so I definitely need to fill up the max capacity. Sun's out. What a fucking gorgeous day. Couldn't ask for a better day to be on trail. Even the exposed areas were a little bit windy, so it kept the heat down. Oh man, it's green and beautiful over here. Touch of snow really makes it pop. All right, make it across this without dying. Easy day. All right, see you up the trail. Well, looks like I'm gonna have access to some nice clean water as soon as I get across this snow. Not safe to film while I'm doing it, so see you on the other side. Well, sunshines, made it through that little snowfield, and Gosh, what a beautiful place for a break. You know what else is also nice? Is I'm going to stick my feet in this water. Woo! Oh my goodness, that's cold. Gravel kind of gives it a massage on my toes. Some would say I need some sun on those feet, but definitely will cure any hot spots you have. So I'm gonna kick back here, let my I'll let my feet soak for a little bit and take in all this beauty. All right, see you at the trail. Well, sunshines, note to self: if you have the kit, use it. Snow baskets, crampons right now. There's some sketch slopes that I didn't have my crampons on before I went. Looked for the first clear spot I could put my kit on, and then I did it. So, all right, let's see you safely up the trail. All right, sunshines. We just came through all that mess. We got 0.6 to a convergence road to determine where we're gonna sleep tonight, but we just came across that. You can see all the trail cuts through there. The two rangers to my right over here didn't have crampons or snow baskets, but they made it. They cut trail for me. But all right, we'll see you up the road later. Man, what a view today. All right, sunshine, seeing you up the trail. Well, beside the road walk, last little bit, you can see how big the deep drifts are on this side, but the trail would have been like this with sketch at best. I didn't cross over that mountain. That mountain's got a lot of snow on it. But see what tomorrow brings. All right, sunshines, we're at mile 497.4. We got a little bit to go before we get to the campground. Another view of the valley down there where it's so much warmer than it is up here. And there's no snow. So, all right, see you up the trail. Just fucking tired. Done with this 12 miles in this snow shit. Take me back to the beach in the sunshine. See you tomorrow, sunshines.